Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you on a hosting service that's making waves, Hostinger. But before we dive in, please support the channel by giving this video a like, subscribing, and leaving a comment with what products you'd like to see us review next. This really helps us bring more awesome content to you. Now, let's get started. Why Hostinger? Have you ever struggled with uploading a website? If so, you're in the right place because today we're going to learn how to upload a website on Hostinger in 2024. Host a website. Hosting your website is essential for making it accessible to the world, and having a reliable hosting service is key. That's where Hostinger comes in to save the day. Common challenges and Hostinger's solutions. Uploading a website can be overwhelming due to complex processes and technical jargon. But don't worry, Hostinger simplifies the entire experience, making it easy for anyone to get their website online. Step-by-step guide. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of uploading a website on Hostinger. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process, starting with creating an account. Head over to Hostinger's website, choose a hosting plan that suits your needs, and set up your account. Once you've set up your account, you can manage up to 100 websites from one place. Hostinger also offers a free domain name registration and lets you set up a professional business email address, making it a comprehensive solution for your online presence. User-friendly features. Hostinger's user-friendly control panel makes managing your website a breeze. Plus, their fast servers ensure your site performs optimally. This combination of ease of use and performance is a winning formula for anyone looking to host their website with minimal hassle. Maximizing website speed. With Hostinger, you can maximize your website's loading speed thanks to their litespeed web server technology. They also offer advanced cache solutions and object cache for WordPress, which can reduce your website's response times by up to 3 times. This ensures your visitors have a smooth and fast experience on your site. 24/7 customer support. If you ever need help, Hostinger's support team is available 24/7 via live chat. They provide step-by-step video walkthroughs, guides, and a vast knowledge base full of in-depth tutorials to help you with any issue you might encounter. Advanced security. Security is crucial, and Hostinger has you covered. They offer unlimited SSL certificates to encrypt your website's traffic and protect against DDoS attacks with Cloudflare-protected name servers. Plus, they provide automatic backups to secure your files. With a 99.9% uptime guarantee, you can trust that your website will stay online and available. Free migration. If you're already hosting your website elsewhere, Hostinger makes it easy to switch. They offer a free automatic website migration tool and their agents will guide you through every step. Your website can be transferred within 24 hours, ensuring a smooth transition. To wrap things up, let's recap the main points. Hostinger offers an all-in-one solution for website hosting with features that make the process simple and efficient. From user-friendly management tools and fast performance to top-notch security and 24/7 support, Hostinger covers all your needs. Now it's your turn to take action. Give Hostinger a try for hosting your website and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to check out more helpful tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!